guys, it's 2 days now after this full moon, lunar eclipse. Anyway, we're gonna go get some live shrimp. We're taking the boat out today, which should be super cool. We're gonna see what we can get into. I'm hoping that being that it's after the full moon a couple days, the bite's gonna be a little stronger than it was yesterday. Today we're gonna shoot for the last of the incoming tide. I don't know. Water's gonna be kind of high out there. Yeah, boy, we're all loaded up. It's the first time I've had this thing hooked up to this one. This is his boat. This is Nick's boat. But we're gonna take it out and head out to the Vilano boat ramp. Gonna free line this shrimp on this little circle hook, cutting through the horn here.
Free line.
Let's do it.
Catching fishes.
I'm hoping something hits this right on the drop. Took it right in. Put it on that Mike Cook and the Jam Shack Underground, dude. That's the stuff right there that's selling.
Sail away with me, sail away.
I'm with you. Got the net. Oh, a grouper. Do I need a net?
Probably not.
No, I didn't think I did. There you go. Nice gag, right? I believe it's a gag grouper. Looks like it. Any pliers? Hit with it. Got it. Yeah, man. Congratulations. Nice gag grouper. That's species number 3 on the boat. Just using the Spinfisher 6 combo here. 4,500 reel. I got 10-pound test. I'm not even using a leader. Just going straight to the 10-pound. So you gotta make sure I'm not, there we go, fish on. Fish on. Ah, what we got here? Look at this little baby.
Oh, mangrove.
Oop, sorry, little guy. Just use your hands with it. There we go. Redfish. I was like, man, that line is moving fast. It's on a free line shrimp. You got that board right there too. Huh? It's our first redfish of the day.
I just set the clock back.
Yeah, dude.
It's shy.
Yeah. Oh, a little more than 17. Well, get it back. See you later, little dude.
Is there any current taking it over there, or it's just sitting?
No, it's just sitting, but then I noticed my line just keeps
Yeah, it's like a fish picked
and
up and took it.
I thought I was in a current, but I wasn't. It was a
It really isn't.
17-inch red. Just shy of the slot limit. It got to be 18 to 20. Oh, we got some kind of run. Oh man, there's so many mangroves in here. They're all just babies. I don't want to lose our bait.
I mean, I'm thinking about moving just because I don't want to waste bait on them, but you know, you hooked into a red here too, though, so.
This is a small red. Or this. All right, we got our poor man's tarpon right here, and our redfish bait. It's a ladyfish. Long and sleek.
Put him in his bucket if you want.
Yeah. Ugh. Slam.
It's another mangrove.
Oh yeah.
If they had any size to it, man, we'd be eating.
Pooped on your nipple.
He sure did poop on my nipple.
Yeah, I might need to get that net, huh?
Just a little mangrove.
Oh.
A little mangrove snopper. Not quite a sandwich. Aggressive little fellow.
You can check my history, make sure you do. Check my history on this. But that cross right here in St. Augustine, that's to symbolize where Pedro Menendez had the very first Catholic Mass in St. Augustine, Florida. Just happened to be here in the oldest city in America. Pretty cool. Giant cross. It's kind of tiny right now. Looks like the size of Nick. There he is right there.
Yeah, we're on.
Alright, we're going.
It's a good sized sea bass.
Sea bass. Species number...
I mean, for the bridge, it's a good sized sea bass. That's tiny for the keys. Heavy, man.
Okay, we'll get it. Let him run if he's got to run. Shit.
Trying to dive straight down. He's heavy. He's not a runner. They dive straight down. Oh
Holy moly. Is that lemon shark?
Looks like it. What I say, I'm not trying to catch sharks.
Yeah. Oh,
It's a nurse
shark. Yeah, let me just cut the line.
We'll get him out. Oh, he cut it.
Cut it.
His tail got it. That's always how they cut them. It's not their teeth like people think, it's their tails. You want your leader line to be twice the length of your target. 6 foot shark, 12 foot leader. It's not their teeth that cut the line, it's their tail.